Now this is exercise 5.4. What is the measure of the right angle and a straight angle? We know that right angle is of 90 degree and straight angle is of 180 degree. Now this is say true or false. The measure of an acute angle is less than 90. So yes, it is true. Measure of an obtuse angle is less than 90. No, it is more than 90, 180. Less than 180, so it is false. Now measure of a reflex angle is greater than 180. Yes, it is true. Measure of one complete revolution is 360. Then it is true. Now here measure of angle A 53, measure of angle B 35. Now then measure of angle A is greater than measure of angle B. Yes, it is true. Now this is question number 3. Write down the measure of the following: some acute angles, some obtuse angles. So here we are writing some acute angles. Acute angles are more than 0 but less than 90. So any angle we can write like 30 degree, 15 degree, 45 degree. And obtuse angles are more than 90 but less than 180. So here we can write 95 degree, 108 degree, 116 degree, 128 degree. Okay, so these are the examples of acute and obtuse. Now this is question number 4 of exercise 5.4. Now it is written that measure the angle given below using the protractor and write down the measure. So first of all we are measuring this A part. Now here you can see this is 45 degree. So here we will write 45 degree. Now another one is, here you can see this is 120 degree. Now this one is 90 degree. And here many angles are there. First of all we will measure one by one all. Now this you can see, this is 90 degree. Now this one we are going to measure. Here you can see this is 130 degree. Now this one we will measure. This is 60 degree. So in this way you are required to measure it properly. Now this is question number 5. Which angle has a larger measure? First estimate, then measure. Now here you can see measure of angle A. Now you will measure this 40 degree. So here we will write 40 degree. Now the other one we will measure, and this is you can see 70 degree. Now it is written which angle has a larger measure. So here you can see angle B has the larger measure. First of all estimate, then measure. Here you can see this angle B is greater than angle A. By estimation you can see, and on measuring we can see 40 and 70. Now question number 6. From these two angles which has larger measure? So here you can see which one is larger. So here definitely this one is larger. Now we will confirm by using, now here directly we will write second angle. Now here we are required to measure and then write. Now this one is 40 degree, and here this we will measure. This is 50 degree. Now fill in the blanks with acute, obtuse, right or straight. An angle whose measure is less than that of a right angle. तो जो right angle 90 डिग्री से छोटा होता है उसको हम कहते हैं acute. An angle whose measure is greater than right angle, then it is obtuse. which is greater than right angle, so it is obtuse. An angle whose measure is the sum of the measure of two right angles, 90 plus 90, then it is 180, so it is straight angle. Straight angle. Now when the sum of measure of two angle is that of right angle, then each of them is, अगर कोई दो एंगल्स हैं उनका सम 90 डिग्री आ रहा है, तो both of them will be less than 90, means both of them will be acute. When the sum of the measure of two angle is that of a straight angle, when sum of the measure of two angle is that of a straight angle, one of them is acute, then the other one should be, if one is acute, then other will be obtuse. Now this is question number 8. Find the measure of angle shown in each figure and first estimate with your eyes, then find the actual measure with a protractor. Now here first of all we will estimate this. I think this will be 30 degree, this will be 50 degree, and this will be 130 degree, or this will be 150 degree. Now this is my estimation. Now we will conclude this. Is it correct or not? Or after that we will write the correct measure. Now here you can see this is 40 degree, nearest of 30. So here we will write 40 degree. This is the correct measure and this one is estimation. Now another one is, this is, you can see directly 130 degrees, so this measure is correct. Now this is, I have written 50 degree. Now here you can see this is not 50, this is 60 degree. I think more than 60 degree. This is 65 degree. So this measure is not correct. This is 65 degree. Now this I have written 150. Now here you can see what is this. This is 135. So 150 is not correct. This is 135 degree. So in this way you are required to do this.